Muthenya wa muthia wa kigomano kia mwaka uyu kia ukinyaniru wa mishara ya aruti a wira thirikari nikio kiarahurite ndereti ya ukinyaniru wa kimathomo hari maabitha thirikari. Riu thirikari ikianirira gukorwo na aruti a wira maratungata wabici-ini cia muingi na maratathi ma githomo ma ngungo.
Let me also announce here that those who have fake certificates working for government at any level, please surrender and walk away. It will not be business as usual as we go into the future. It is impunity of the highest level.
If we make a decision to get rid of all the fellows and characters with fake certificates, probably we could knock 10,000 people from the wage bill and recover $1 billion or $2 billion.
Kuona kiwatho mundu wothe wegwatira utonga wa muingi na njira ya ungumania kana ya maheni ni abatie gutunya utonga ucio. President athanite maabitha ya matacokerio makinya akiuria matahikithio kiria giothe memathiire kuma kuri kigina kia muingi na matige wira o ene.
Susumbuane, they should just refund the money we pay them as salaries and wages so that we stop the games. Otherwise, EACC, DCI must move with full speed to recover public resources that were spent on these people.
Watu wengi wako kwa serikali, wengine magavana, wengine heads of department, wengine wamekaa huku, wengine wamekaa na wewe hapa. Makaratasi yao iko dosari. So you will have to make a decision. Na sijui nani atakusaidia.
Kurigana na munini wa president Gathe wa Gachagua, maabitha niyo kihumo kia wabici cia thirikari kwaga kuheana motungata makinyaniru kuri muingi, kuona aria maratungata kuo matire na umenyo wa uria mareka.
So hii watu ya River Road wamekuwa wakinitafuta. Nasema sasa wewe naibu wa rais unalalamika nini? Tumesaidia watu wengi. Tumesaidia fulani, tumesaidia fulani, tumesaidia fulani. Rais hawa list hiyo nitakupatia ile nimepewa.
Ciege mishara ya aruti a wira thirikari niranire kwaga gucokana thutha hari mubango wa kunyihia gicunje kiria githiaga mishara-ini riu kienda kirugamira gicunje kia 35 hari 100 gikiringithanio na umithio wa bururi.
All institutions at both levels of government to migrate their payrolls to the Human Resource Information System Kenya by June 2025.
We have, ladies and gentlemen, and I repeat this, without any doubt of equivocation, we have to live within our means.
Kurigana na minister wa wira wa muingi Moses Kuria, ni hinde ikinya riri rikinyukio niguo kuhe mweke tafarira cia uthii wa na mbere bururi-ini.
How can we have 1 million people who are the public servants consuming 41% of our revenues and leaving the other 53 million people to consume 59%? In fact, I would question the other 53 million people. Why are they so patient with us?
Gikaro giki kiria kirekire umuthi gigatiga aruti a wira thirikari aria mangikorwo na maratathi matakinyaniire hatikaini. Riu thirikari ikiranira gutwarithia na mbere uthuthuria makiria. Harina Kameme TV kuma cikaro cia Bomas guku kaunti ya Nairobi. Reto rako ni Bataru wa Mwangi.